I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
The only underlying fundamental thing that you can look at in terms of gauging anything of where the price is going to be going is the HODL rate and the overall adoption, right? Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin's call it a commodity, and it has a certain demand versus supply versus demand economics around how many new coins are coming onto the market, whether it be from block rewards or individual whales or people deterministically selling at a given price point. Those are the coins coming onto the market. And then the demand side, you have institutionals, high net worth individuals, retail investors that have high conviction, and they're periodically taking coins off the market for a very long, substantial period of time. And what I've noticed over the last year, the whole meme of DCA into the market has went parabolic, and the amount of people that are actually DCAing in and not even caring what the price is or what the current narrative is or what anyone's shilling for a price model. They have a DCA set, and those are coins coming off of the market every week, every day, every month. And that is growing. Those people are growing. More people that are DCAing on the retail level, on the institutional level, on every single level. There's more and more people that are just buying. They have very high conviction. They don't care what's happening. They're just buying. And that's the end of the story. And they're locking those up for a long period of time.